Okay, so the last thing is I got this Arrma Granite two-wheel drive. It's been well loved. I'll just say that. Just going over it real quick. I mean, I guess the wheel bearings feel okay. Steering servo okay. Looks like he left the battery in it. So take that out. However that comes out. Oh. So I've never owned one of these before, so I have no idea. Okay, so there's a pin right here at the pull out. And then that flaps up. Alright, so looks like we have a nickel metal battery in it. Usually big, no actually not. It's LiPo. Don't feel very good though. So that's going to go in the garbage. Okay. Gonna need some tires. Actually I bought some tires for my Emax a long time ago. Not thinking about it. They're actually for a Summit with a 12mm X. So let me go find them real quick, and hopefully I got all four of them. Alright, for some reason I can only find one. I'm sure the others are around here somewhere. But here's what I have. I don't know if these are going to work or not. They're 3.8s, super deep dish, which should probably bring that wheel way in, you know, even in the back. As you can see, that'll bring it way in. Side view, it'll be a lot taller, that's for sure. Anyway, this truck is supposed to have I don't know, either a transmission problem or there's something going on with the speed controller. As you can see, just butt connected the ends here. I was thinking more like it's a voltage issue. Also, shocks are, I mean, they're just sprung. That's it. So the whole truck will be doing this. Oh, this ought to be fun to get going again. It says he has the body somewhere. If not, I'm sure we can come up with something. Let's see what we come up with. So a lot of people have been like commenting. I put up a picture of this SS. Yep, it don't quite fit. But we can make it fit. That's right. I am not sure. Maybe not. Yeah, I may have to find something else. Although that would look pretty cool on there. Anyway, I hope you're looking forward to you know, what's coming up this year. At the time I filmed this, it's December 2019, but you won't see this until next year. So we got a lot going on. I put out like 63 videos last year. I'm hoping to do more than that this year. Getting more and more tiny truck tools together. So, you know, I just kind of hoping we're going to have a good one. Hey guys, so the idea I had was to put the TRX4 tactical unit body on the Arrma Granite, and you know, I think it looks pretty good. You know, probably have to do you some modifying to make this work. Like the posts here are real narrow. I may need to modify something there. In the back as well, I have to do something here. We have a couple broken pieces here, but I think I can fabricate something as far as a mount for this. Now obviously the back tire and the jerry cans will have to come off, but I think it's going to look pretty good. So we can look forward to fabbing something up for that for 2020, right? So anyway, what do you guys think? If you like this is something you would do, let me know, because I'm always open for suggestions. For some reason, comments are, I get them sometimes, and sometimes I don't, and I respond, and it seems like I don't see where I've replied. So if I don't reply to you, if you leave a message, I am sorry. Do the best I can. I think it's a YouTube thing, really. Anyway, if you like this kind of thing, let me know, and don't forget to give me a like, click, subscribe, and leave comments. Thank you.